Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate presentation slides using Gemini AI inside of Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so getting started, we need to access Gemini in Slides. So ensure you have Gemini features in Google Slides, which are only available if you either have a Google Workspace plan with Gemini AI enabled features, or the Google One AI Premium subscription on top of your existing Google Workspace account. Okay, from here we need to go ahead and open up Google Slides. So I've got one here that I've just for this demonstration. And now once it's open, your Gemini should appear on the far top right hand corner of the page. Here it is here where it says try Gemini. So click on the try Gemini. So it's going to say generate your next big idea with Gemini in Gmail, Docs and more. So you can power up your productivity using AI features directly in the apps that you use every day. So we can create drafts in Gmail and Docs, plan projects quickly in Sheets, generate original images in Slides, and start enhanced meetings in Meet. Plus get access to Gemini Pro with our most capable AI models and 2 terabytes of storage. So go ahead and click on try it out. And as it states here, get Gemini and Gmail, Docs and more with Google AI Pro. So it's going to have a plan. So at the moment it's 32 / down to 0 per month for 1 month. So go ahead and click on get offer. Got to go ahead and click on agree. And then go through with your Google Play if you want to go ahead and enable it this way. But if you already got it enabled, come back to your Google Slides. So yeah, there's a lot of things we can do with Gemini and Slides. So we can also generate slides from prompts. So we can ask Gemini things like create a slide about the benefits of renewable energy. It generates a whole slide with a title, bullet points, and even images if relevant, matching your current theme. We can write or rewrite slide text. So you click on placeholders like write a title or help me write when you have text boxes ready. Use prompts like rewrite this slide to be more engaging, and Gemini will polish it off for you. You can also summarize and generate key points inside of here, and also generate AI images for your slides. So you can click insert image, generate an image, or use the toolbar button. Enter a descriptive prompt such as a watercolor painting of hydrangeas in a picture or a futuristic cityscape at night. And then from there, Gemini will offer image variations you can insert directly into the slide. You can also pull content from Google Drive files. So use the @ symbol in your prompt to reference Drive files like PDFs, Docs, or Sheets. For example, create a slide outlining next steps from @meeting notes. And then Gemini will draw content from those documents and build your slides accordingly. And I've got some tips and caveats for this as well. So always fact check your slides. So Gemini's output, while fast, can sometimes be incorrect or incomplete. So double check the fact checks there. Image generation has limitations. For instance, generating realistic images with people may not be supported yet. Presentation design touches still need manual finesse, so like transitions or animations that Gemini doesn't control. Also, prompt crafting matters, so clear, content-rich prompts like target audience, tone, or style yield better results.